Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Muyiwa. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get VO3 for free via Google AI Pro for good 12 months. Isn't that amazing? Please, I beg your indulgence. Kindly watch to the very end without skipping. Do as I do and as I say, and you will get it appropriately without any form of error. So let's get started. I'm going to paste this link in the description. It's very important I make us to understand this. My country is not listed here as at when this video was recorded. That is why I have to use USA VPN and I chose USA. But if you're already in USA, you don't need any VPN. Just choose your country here. Do you get it? Any part of the country that you are from that is not listed here, you can use USA VPN and choose USA there. But if your country is already there, just choose your country. You don't need any VPN. The VPN is just to alternate to another country so that you're able to access it. Do you get it? Thank you. I've already downloaded the USA VPN. Just want to connect. So it's connected right now. It's connected. So verify. So you bring it to this page where you choose your country. So I'm going to use United States because of the VPN I chose. So this is the country that I want to use. So you choose your school of your choice. Don't worry, whichever school of your choice, just choose it here. Down, I think I prefer this Institute of Child Nutrition. So the next one is very important. Let me tell you something here. It's very important. The information you provided on your account, your Gmail account, is very important, such as this: your name, your date of birth, and the Gmail. You have to tally with what you are going to put here the same way. So I use Abiodun as the second at the last name. So Abiodun, the same way I provided on my Gmail account. And the year is very important. On your Gmail account have to be within 2000 to 2004. It's very important, whichever day or the month, but make sure it's within 2000 to 2004. Do you understand? The one you provided on your Gmail account. Alright, so this is the Gmail account. You can see Abiodun 535. So when you click on verify student status, it will take you to where you will upload your ID card. If it didn't take you there, just press your back. Just go back on your browser. It will take you to that place. But before that, you have to generate your ID card, which I'm going to show you. I'll paste the link in the description where you generate your ID card. Please just follow this step. You will not have any problem. Do you get it? Let us minimize this. So you come to this, you can get this link from my description. So you come to this canvas, then you paste the link. You go to my Telegram channel, you get the code that you're going to paste here. So when you get at this date, the code, then you press enter. Just leave it, allow it to load. So it will load a template where you will just edit for that data. So this is it. Alright. So you just input your, can you see it? Just highlight it to replace it with your institute that you chose as earlier on. Just let everything match, including your name, the way it was written. Don't change anything. Then your date of birth as it was written before on the template, as it was on your Gmail account. So this one, just edit the last 3 one Just change it. This one last 4 number, just any number I can just edit it, then leave the year like that. I need to pause this video here and explain something to you. This video is not supposed to be more than 10 to 15 minutes, but because I want to actually solve a lot of problem beforehand, so I don't want you to be confused over you asking some questions that are supposed to have been corrected or dealt with. That's why I'm taking my time. Please just follow this step. See, on this page you will see this academic year. In case, because this is an AI ID card generator, it's very important because in your case it might be a little bit different. You might have 2024 to 2025. Edit it to ensure it is 2025. It's very important. Those are the key points here. The 2025 is very important. Then the passports, it doesn't matter whether you want to put your passport, any picture or passport or not. You can leave it blank or you can put any passport there. But most importantly is this 2025, which is very important. The address, it doesn't matter. I am a Nigerian, okay? So I still leave it this way. It doesn't matter. Then your school also, just ensure it is the same thing you put on that first page. So make sure that is the same school that you put there, whichever school at all. Just let it tally with the one on that form that you fill. Then this phone number, no matter anywhere in the country that you are, just you can leave it that way. But just know that once you keep generating, this is an AI, the next time you refresh and put this, it might be another one. So you can edit it, the last 4 number, or you leave it that way. You will generate, it will still be the same thing. In your own case, you might have a barcode there. It doesn't matter whether it has barcode or doesn't have barcode in your case, but most importantly is this 2025. If it's 2024, 2025, just edit it. Do not allow 2024 to appear there. They'll edit that and ensure when you are now downloading it, it is in PNG. If it's the PDF, you have error. Generating it at the last stage. I don't want that. I only want you to encounter that. So ensure it is on PNG. Please don't be confused. This site will give you PNG and PDF. If it give you only PDF, that is where the problem is. Go back to this new, put the code again to regenerate it. But we give you PNG, that's what we're looking for. So you download it, then we won't have any problem. PDF, we have issue on this. Please take note. Let us continue. So you download it. So you can see download, allow, say cancel, then you can see. So this is the ID card. So you can see your passport. This information, then the year is there. So go back, you can see this page here, then upload, add your documents to put the ID card that you generated. Okay, so this is my ID card here, so I'm going to click. Yeah, I've inserted it. Then submit. Allow it to load. Just patiently wait for it. It won't take long. Depending on the keyboard, it will take long at all. Alright, so you can see you have been verified. That's interesting. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so and also like it. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. So we'll stay on it. So this is the page. I'm not through yet. Now, what is next for you to put your ATM information? But don't worry, they won't charge you anything at all. Okay, you just input your card information. This is my card number. So just provide this information the way it is on your card. Okay, you won't be charged anything at all. So I want to input my zip code because I use VPN. So that's the reason why I have to look for that VPN of that country, that state, input it there, then to save it. Click on save, allow it to load. So press on, click on subscribe. It's loading. Congratulations, subscribed. Alright, let us I will paste the link in the description. This flow, as you can see, this is the flow. I just want to check the accounts that I completed. This is my, okay, let me click the Adioye Abiodun. So I clicked it. You can see I want to show you that 1000 credit that they gave me. So just follow it, continue. As you can see, let me show you. Can you see 1000 AI credit every month? They will give you 1000 for 12 months. So if you want to unsubscribe, go to that Play Store. You can check your account here. Click on your account, the Gmail account that you used. Click on it. It will take you to this page. Accept. Just accept here. So you can see payment and subscription. Click on it. Click on subscription to cancel your subscription. Just click on anywhere here. Click on it. So you can see beneath cancel subscription. So click on that cancel subscription. It's loading. So reason why you are canceling, just select any option, cancel subscription. So as you can see, I've cancelled. This is flow again. Going back to that flow. This is the interface. This is interesting. Please, if you find this video handy, kindly subscribe if you have not done so, and like it also. I really appreciate you so much. Help us to grow this channel. Thank you so much. So you can see the interface now. Portrait or landscape, just set it. Then the number of want to generate that 1 or 2. So I advise you just put it on 1, not to waste it much. So you can see, put it on the fast. So let us generate first the video to just see. This is just an example. Generating. This is my first video. Interesting. So I'm going to show you another one, another account I'm going to create to have another 1000 credits. Okay, but in this one I'm going to put a passport. So as I told you, any school at all. So I'm going to very fast here since I've shown you the first one. So this second one, I'm going to fast track it a little. I'm going to choose a USA SIM. Okay, then the school, I'm going to change the school to another school. I'm going to choose the University of let me see, it's loading. University, okay, sorry, let me choose a University of Washington. So I prefer this. Then my first name, it should be the one you use in your Gmail as the information you provided there. The date of birth, the gender, everything should be the same here. It's very important. Okay, just follow it accordingly. The last name, input it, Chandra. All right, any name at all. So just make sure that your date of birth tally with your Gmail. The 2000 or 2004 is very important. So I use 2000 or 2001 on my Gmail account. So that's why I'm using 2001 my Gmail account. I'm using 2001 year 2. So after that, is it. We verify it. We copy this email. So the same process also. I'm just showing you so that you can see it again. University name, I'm going to paste it here. The same one I insert it there. Washington. Most importantly, yes, your name should tally with that first page. You get it? So I'm going to put my name here, Anil Chandra. Okay, then date of birth, January. Year, ensure it is January, as in ensure it is written like something like this, not like January now, like this. Don't write 01. No, January is first now, as in 0, but just ensure it's something like this. February, write it February. This is March, write it March. Alright, MARCH, like that. Then this student ID, the last 3 one, you can leave it like that, or last 3 number, edit it. The phone number, as I told you, also you can leave it this way or just edit, no matter the country. You get it, last 4-digit number, edit it or you leave it that way. Whether in Nigerian, any part of the country, you can still leave the phone number the same way. There is no problem with that. Be patient to watch this video. Don't jump to forward it and to try just ensure you understand it. Allow it, cancel. So it's already downloaded. Then go back to that page again. This is the ID card. So you can see this one has passport. So verify student status. It's loading. So add your documents. Alright, I'm gonna submit. Click on submit. Yeah, allow it to process. It's processing. It won't take much of the time. Great, you have been verified.